I am Dr. Nitin Sharma, SWAYAM NPTEL Local Chapter Coordinator of LCID 3312. I warmly welcome all of you. I am pleased to inform you that the SWAYAM NPTEL enrollment and registration for the November 2026 session is now open. Through our SWAYAM NPTEL local chapter 3312, every student has the opportunity to learn from distinguished professors of IITs and IISc, completely free of cost enrollment. Only students who wish to obtain a certificate by appearing for the proctored examination need to pay the examination fee. Dear students, NPTEL courses not only strengthen your technical knowledge but also improve your problem skill, communication abilities, and employability. These certificates are widely recognized by industries, higher education institutions, and recruiters, making your resume more competitive. Now, these are the important dates for November 2026. Enrollment starts from 22 May 26. Course start 20 July. First enrollment close, that is on 27 July. Final enrollment close 17th August. Final exams are in the month of September and October 2026. These are some of the available subject streams. In engineering, different branches, different emerging areas are there, like AI, ML, Python. Similarly, for applied science, different subjects are there, different streams are there. You can choose any one of you. So these are some of the new courses like drone systems and control, AI for management, generative AI, and LLM, computational fluid mechanics. So first of all, that how to register. So create an account with the college ID on NPTEL SWAYAM portal and enroll in any course. The course enrollment is free completely, and registration is for getting the certificates, that is rupees 1000 for each of the exam which you want to pass. And these are the benefits of the college ID, that with the college ID the same credit transfer facility is there, ABC integration is there, DigiLocker synchronization is there. So the exam pattern is consist of two parts. First is assignment submission, second is on NTERM MCQ based, CBT based exam on different online centers. So there are two type of courses are there, 8-week course and 12-week course. In 8-week course, best 6 assignments are evaluated, and for 12-week course 8 best assignments are evaluated. Now this is the passing criteria, which consists of assignment and online exam. So at least you should have score 40%, at least 10% in assignment and 30% in online exam. So this is the overall passing criteria. So how to prepare? Mainly you have to focus on assignment. Weekly assignments you have to be submit. Solve previous paper for passing in the NTERM online examinations. Assignments are more important. Some of the questions are in the assignments are found in the final examination. I encourage each one of you to select a course that aligns with your academic interest, career aspiration, or emerging technologies. Complete your enrollment through the SWAYAM portal and ensure that you register under local chapter ID 3312 so that you can receive proper guidance and support. Please do not wait until the last date. Enroll early, attend the online lectures regularly, Submit your weekly assignments on time and prepare sincerely for the certification of the examination. If you face any difficulty, during enrollment, course selection or registration, you may contact me. We will be happy to assist you throughout the process. Don't miss assignment deadlines. Focus on passing criteria. Best wishes for the NPTEL 2026. Thank you, and I wish you all the very best for your SWAYAM NPTEL learning journey. Thank you.